Hello everyone, welcome to ICT, the technology class. Alright, so I am teacher Amir. Welcome. This is IP grade 2. So today we are talking about how to care and maintain for your computer. This is lesson 1. So let's start. I hope you are ready. So first of all, I want to revise and review with you. What is ICT? Can you guess? I for information, C for communication, and T for technologies. So, I hope you have seen this picture before. So, information. I for information. For example, we can see in here, so DVD player for information. DVD player. Television. Internet, calculator, radio, and for communication. What is communication? Communication is when you communicate, when you speak to someone, okay? For example, if you see me and you talk to me or you speak with me, this is communication between me and you. Communication is not only face-to-face. It can be over the email, telephone, mobile phone, or instant messaging. Webcam is also part of communication. Alright. So, anything that helps you to communicate. Technology can be entertainment, can be anything that helps you to make your life easier or more fun. For example, digital camera, taking pictures of things you like. Laptops, consoles, for example, your PS4, PS5, or MP3 players, or iPod, or anything that you can play music with. And information is basically anything that can give you some kind of information. Radio, calculator, internet, and so on. Alright? So, ICT, information, communication, and technology. What is a computer? Do you know? Can you help me? I don't know. What is a computer? Please help me. So, computer, it's an electric device. So, it uses electricity. It uses electricity to work. Storing and processing data. Computers keep data for you. Keep your data. For example, what are data? Data are your pictures, your music, your games, and your digital homework or anything that is digital. So anything you want to keep, it will keep for you. So for computers, it will not work without you giving some instructions to the computer. So now I'm giving instruction to the computer to move the pointer. This is the pointer, the red dot. The red dot is the pointer. So I'm giving instructions to the computer to move the pointer. I'm giving orders. Instruction is like orders. I tell the computer to move the pointer. So computers don't understand our language. So if I tell the computer, move the pointer, will it listen? No, it will not listen to me. But when I'm moving my finger on the mouse, it can understand that I want to move the pointer. But they will not understand our language. So the computer transfers the language to be ones and zeros. Ones and zeros. This is the only language that computer understands. It's the system that the coding that they understand. 1 and 0. Everything inside is using 1 and 0. So if we tell the computer move the pointer, it will change it to 1 and 0. Did you know computers solve problems faster than people? Wow, that's impressive, right? Computers. This is a full set of computer. So this solves problems faster than people? Is that even possible? Next slide. You can use a computer to do work. You also can have fun and play games with a computer. Computers work by combining hardware and software. Don't forget, this is a computer. So, hardware. Do you remember hardware? This is hardware. You can see hardware, right? When you have a computer, anything that you can see will be your hardware. So, this, and this are all your hardware. Can you say it with me? Hardware. One more time, you say it. Hardware. Okay? Hardware. First of all, this is a monitor. Do you remember? This is a monitor. You can see on it. It's a window to the computer. It helps you to see what you do on the monitor. Next, CPU. The most important part of a computer. It helps you to remember things. So, it helps the computer to remember things. So, all the information is in the CPU. So, if the CPU will have problem, then your computer will have problem also. Next are speakers. Speakers connect to your computer and helps you to hear music coming from the computer, or helps you to hear voices or sounds that come from the computer. A keyboard. Next, we have a keyboard. Can you repeat with me? Keyboard. You can type. You can use your fingers to type, write, and make changes on the screen. So you can make changes on the screen using keyboard. Mouse. Mouse is not an animal for computer. It's this. This is a mouse to point and click. So to point and click. So I'm pointing at this, right? So I'm using the mouse. And the mouse has two buttons and a small scroller in the middle. So this is the scroller, and these are the buttons that you can click. Next is printer. It prints from the computer screen on a paper. So anything you have on your screen, on your monitor, you can print out and print it on a paper. Let's continue. Hardware, more hardware. A scanner. We can scan a picture on a paper and change it to be an image in the computer. Wow! So if you have a paper, you can get it as an image and put it inside your computer. So you can open it in your monitor screen. Next, we have pen drive. Pen drive, you can store the information you want. You can keep all the important stuff that you want. For example, your pictures, music, and video games, you can put it on a pen drive. Next, we have wires and circuits. It helps computer to work better and faster. Microphone. To put your sound or voice into the computer or to speak with someone. And headset can help you to hear and speak also. So I'm using a microphone right now so you can hear me better. A microphone helps you to speak. So I'm putting my voice so you can hear it later. So my voice is going through the microphone. Headphones or headset helps you to hear and speak in private. So this is a microphone on a headset and you can hear from this part. Last but not least, we have webcam. Webcam helps you to take videos or photos of yourself and save on the computer. So you are seeing me through a webcam. Right now, I'm using this as a webcam. This is a webcam. Okay, next page. I want to know, how do you type? Or which is the correct way? I don't know. Can you help me? Is A correct? Is it correct? B, C, or D? What do you think? Shout out the correct answer. A, B, C, D. Alright, if you said C, that's the correct answer. So, you should be typing like C, not like D, not like B, and not like A. So, C, the correct answer. What is typing? Typing is done by your hands and by your fingers. And it creates a writing or a movement or a change on the monitor. So you write something and you will see it on your monitor. And a keyboard, you can see, has many alphabets and many numbers and many buttons on it. How do you print? So first, you need a printer. Second, you need a paper, some papers, and some ink. And then you just insert it and click start. Next, we have how to turn on or turn off the computer. So, first, I want you to find your CPU. And then I want you to find this button with this symbol. Don't press it. Don't press it. Just find it. So, if you don't have a PC, a computer, you have a laptop, I think. So, if you have a laptop, you can find this symbol next to your keyboard. So, try to find this. If you have a computer and a CPU like this, you can find a symbol like this. If you have a laptop, you will have the same symbol but next to your keyboard. So find this, and this is how you turn on. How you turn on the computer. If you want to shut down or turn off, this is how you do it. So you find this on your monitor. You go to this, the Windows symbol, this icon. You find this, and you will see this. You see, it's the same symbol. It's the same icon. Once you click on it, you press it, click on it with your mouse. You see shut down. If you click shut down, it will turn off your computer or shut down. So after our class, ask your parents for the permission. You ask them, Mom, Dad, can I turn off the computer? And then if they say yes, you try this. You try this. So whenever you try to use the computer, please ask your parents before you do anything. How to take care and maintain your computer. How you can take care. So the first thing, please don't run with a computer. This is a no-no. Don't do this. Don't run with a computer or a laptop. So don't do this. Don't. Just don't. Alright? So no. Don't run. Don't eat on the computer. Don't eat the computer. So a computer is not made for eating. I think you know that, but just saying. So don't eat the computer like this kid, alright? Don't eat around the computer. So don't be like this. Because if you eat around the computer, maybe you drop something. Maybe you drop some food on your keyboard. Maybe you drop the water or Coca-Cola or milkshake, anything. So it's better not to eat around the computer. Otherwise, you can destroy or make your computer very, very dirty. Don't push, don't throw, and don't destroy your computer like SpongeBob. So don't push, don't throw, or don't destroy your computer like this picture. And keep your computer clean. Keep your computer clean. Clean softly with a dry towel or brush. With a dry towel or brush. Like this picture. Is this correct? What do you think? Yes or no? Can you say it? Yes. No. No, it's wrong. Don't do this. don't do this. Always, before using or touching the computer, ask your parents, okay? Ask your parents. Software. What is software? Software is the instructions that you tell the computer what to do. So that's the easy way to explain to you. So software gets the order from you and gives it to the hardware so it can run. You tell the instructions what to do. Hey, computer, move the pointer, move the mouse. So the computer is moving it. So I'm telling the software to change. Your computer won't do anything unless you tell it to. The software won't do anything until you tell it to. Software is a group of programs. Software is a group of programs that help your computer to work. Software can change. You cannot touch the software. You cannot touch the software. But for hardware, you can touch. Software, you cannot touch. Software, it is inside the computer. It's a system, so you can't see the system. Whatever you see on your screen is software. So your monitor is the hardware, and what you see on the monitor is the software. Desktop icons and applications. Your desktop is the page that you can see after the computer is fully turned on. It shows all the icons. So this is your desktop. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all are your icons. Can you say it with me? Icon. Many icons and applications are on the desktop. It shows different programs. So we can see here, these are all different icons and different programs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all this is icons and different programs, and each of them do something special. So some applications or icons are these. You see? Instagram, Facebook, Clock, Word, Safari, email, maps, and so on. These are all applications and icons. So some of the famous applications or icons are these that you will have on your computer. This PC, Word, PowerPoint. So I'm using PowerPoint to teach you right now. Google Chrome. Using Google Chrome, you can search online. Do you know this? This is the internet or Wi-Fi connection. So you need this to connect to the internet. The trash bin. So anything you don't want anymore, you will throw in this. It's like your trash. It's a trash can. So you throw it in here. You don't want it anymore. The icon for paint. This is Internet Explorer. Alright, so for today, I want you to watch these videos So after you watch, I hope you learn more. And thank you for today. I hope you learn something and I hope you stay home, stay safe, and keep up the good work. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.